Hello, welcome everyone. Today we'll be covering the third part of the quadratic equations. As I mentioned in the first part that there are four methods by which you can solve quadratics. Today we'll be discussing the third part. The third part is the third method, and third method is quadratic formula, which I personally feel is the most simplest and it can help you in every type of questions to solve easily. So third method is by quadratic formula. You have to learn it. At first, it seems to be a little bit difficult, but it's very simple. It's minus b plus minus root b squared minus 4ac by 2a. This is a direct formula to get x1 and x2. That's it. Put the values and get the answer. So x1 is, because we know you will get two different answers. So x1 is minus b plus root b squared minus 4ac by 2a. And x2 is minus b minus root b squared minus 4ac by 2. So first plus sign and the second you will get by minus sign. And that's all you have to use. So let me take a simple example, which is x squared minus x minus 12 equals 0. If you have seen the previous video, whether it's a factorization method or completing the square method, the first thing is compare it with the standard equation and find ABC. The same thing we have to do it here. A is 1, B is negative 1, C is negative 12. Put the values in the formula. X1 is minus B plus root B squared minus 4AC by 2A. B is negative 1, so in place of negative 1, B I'll put negative 1 plus negative 1 whole squared minus 4, A is 1, C is minus 12 over 2 times minus plus A. So this will minus will become plus. If you're using calculator,
you should know how to use it.
Because I have seen that kids really do mistake while using the calculator and end up getting the wrong answer. So minus will become plus. Minus 1 squared is 1. Minus 12 into minus 4 is plus 48 by 2. So 1 plus root 49 is 7 by 2 will give you 8 by 2, that is 4 as your answer. So one answer is 4. And second answer you will get when you put negative up there. So I'm writing it here. That is, everything is same, only I'm replacing positive sign as negative. So 1 minus root 49 by 2, that is 1 minus 7 by 2 will give you negative 3 as your answer. So the two answers are 4 and negative 3. So this question you can easily solve by the factorization method as well. But when you have very difficult questions, you have to pick this one. Let me do one difficult question on it where you can get a decimal answer. Now see this equation. 2x squared minus 13x minus 19 definitely seems a little difficult. If you want to solve it with the factorization method, it's not possible. Let me see how can we do it with quadratic formula. Same, a is equals to 2, b is equals to negative 13 and c is equals to negative 19. Put the values in the formula. We know x1 is minus b plus root b squared minus 4ac by 2. B is negative 13. So negative 13 plus root b squared, that is minus 13 squared, minus 4. A is 2. C is negative 19 by 2a. 2 into 2. So this will be plus 13 plus minus 13 whole squared is 169 and minus 19 times minus 4 times 2 is plus 152 because it's negative 19 and negative there is as well over 4. Now 152 plus 169 will give you 321. So this will be 13 plus root 321 by 4. So root of 321 is 17.91. So x1 is 13 plus 17.91 by 4. And x2 is only I need to replace negative sign, right? Plus with the negative sign. So it will be 13 minus 17.91 by 4. There's no point of again calculating from here till here because it's only a change of one sign. So plus is here, right? And the same plus, when I replace it with negative, I'll get this one. 2. And this will give me up to 2 decimal place, it will be negative 1.23. So in this way, we can solve any type of question. Only you have to find A, B, and C and put it in the given formula. Once you reach till here to this step right there that I'm encircling, just write one with plus and one with negative, and you will get the two different values for x. This is the quadratic formula. We have done the completing square method, factorization method, and quadratic formula. In the next class or in the next lecture, we will be completing the graphical interpretation, which is very important to understand what exactly this graph is, how we are finding the roots, and what is turning point, and how can we find the turning point graphically and algebraically both. So that's it for today. If you want one-on-one session with the experts, you can mail us at akzsiacademy@gmail.com. Every link is mentioned in the description box. And if you want videos on past paper, you just have to drop us email and visit Akzsi app. The worksheets and answer sheets are available for free. So that's it for today. Thank you. Take care and stay tuned.